Looking for that keyless entry to spice up your deadbolt, as well as some sweet security where you don't have to have a key, you can just use a PIN code? Well, you've guessed it. Today's episode we have the ELAMOR keyless door lock to be checking out, and it's a deadbolt. We're going to get it out of the box and let you guys know what we think on today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you're new to the show, make sure to follow where you are seeing this content at, as well as get in the comments to interact with the community and hit that like button to let us know that you like this review. This episode is brought to you by ELAMOR. We have a keyless door lock to be checking out. It's a deadbolt, and we have all the links and details that you will need located in the description. So this deadbolt has a keypad that you can program up to 50 different users for, so great if you got a big family, as well as it being waterproof and just ready to upgrade that door lock. But first, let's get it out of the box. Okay, so this is the ELAMOR intelligent door lock, keyless entry. We're gonna get it out of the box. Let's see what we get. On the very top, we have our paperwork with the user manual and all that good stuff. Tells us how to install it, how to program your passcodes, and all that good stuff. Then we will pull out some of these boxes here and see what we have. We have the door striker, some keys, a spacer, some trim, some screws, everything you need to go with your striker. Now this is connected as one. So we move this out of the way, and in the plastic, let's just get this out. Right here we have this nice look here. This oil-based look here looks nice. I like the trim on it. We've got our key port for our keys to go in. And then our buttons here for pressing in our key codes. And we have a little light right there. It's pretty cool. Backside we have all of our stuff that we need going to the next one, as well as our connecting cable and a very nice rubber seal to help keep out any water or moisture and all that good stuff. On the backside we have our deadbolt switch. So this right here is what will turn the deadbolt. Our port to plug all of our electronics into, and then of course our battery port. We'll put 4 AA batteries in here to make sure this all works. Your set button is right here, and all this is located on the inside of the home, so we'll be safe and go in there like that. But this is what we have right out of the box. So let's go put it on the door and try this bad boy out. The M15 keypad deadbolt will unlock at your fingertips using your code, which makes you save time from fumbling keys around. No matter where you've been, leaving your keys accidentally inside, you can even still get in. It's made from solid materials and built to give you solid guard and security. So it's an all-in-one professional smart lock. You have a passcode, you got mechanical keys, it's got an auto locking function, and like I said, the weatherproof IP54 is great for holding up against the rain or anything that should be coming towards this door. So if you ever end up leaving your home for a second or deciding, oh, I should have locked the door, I wasn't expecting to be gone this long, you got no problems. This device has an auto locking function that will save you tremendously on, well, forgetting to lock that door when you go take that trip. It will lock your door with a single touch and no additional turning or twisting is needed, as well as being able to set the time for the auto lock to be within 3 to 30 seconds. And if you got a big family or a lot of friends that want to come over, you can have up to 50 users. So bring them all and give them their own personal passcode. With the electronic keypad, the door lock will allow you to program up to 50 individual codes for family and trusted friends. So if you have a babysitter or a dog walker or even somebody just coming to help clean your home, you don't have to worry about hiding a key for them or telling them the secret way to get in. You just give them their own personal key code and they're set. And no worries if they start putting in the wrong key code, well, it'll lock down for security purposes. Then they can't get in at all. Well, for at least a minute until they put the right one back in. So if someone enters the wrong code 5 times within a minute, the keypad will automatically lock for 90 seconds. And when it comes to the thing you dread the most, the installation process, it's no problem whatsoever. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver and you can have this bad boy on your door and ready to go. Well, you gotta have those 4 AA batteries too. I forgot about those. But we had no issues getting it on our door and we absolutely love using it. It saved tremendous amounts of time when, you know, somebody misplaces the keys, Matt, and you have to run around and let them in when you're in the middle of doing something like filming a video. Well, with this keypad, it's simple. You just give Matt his own personal passcode and he comes in and interrupts you during a video. Just like that. But so far, the ELAMOR keypad Deadbolt has been phenomenal and we absolutely love it. And if you're on the market for a keypad Deadbolt, this is one I would highly recommend for you to check out. And of course, all of our links and details are located in the description. And I would also like to give a huge shout out to ELAMOR for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. So if you found it helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to get in the comments and let us know what you think about these keyless door locks. And of course, if you're not following where you're seeing this content at, make sure to do so. Hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell to receive notifications. But that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and once again, I'll see you guys in the next review.